Welcome to the $1,000,000 Challenge, where we have set ourselves a challenge to turn $1,000 into $1,000,000. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Now let's begin. We use TradingView as our trading platform. When you first open TradingView, you can see a very simple chart to which we will be adding my favorite indicators, the Smart System. The Smart System has three components: the Smart Cloud, Smart Trend, and Smart Vision. Now let's begin with the first trade of the month. As you can see, there's a clear buy signal, Smart Vision is green, and the cloud is visible. We entered this trade at 1796 and we followed it all the way through, and we exited at 1809, making a total profit of $478. Now for the second trade of the month, it was a sell trade, and as you can see, Smart Vision is red. We have a clear sell signal and the cloud is visible. So we entered at 1802 and we exited the trade at 1791, making a total profit of $594. Now for our third trade of the month, as you can see, there's a clear buy signal and we entered at 1794 and we exited at 1806, making a total profit of $249. Now for our final trade of the month, we entered this sell trade. As you can see, there's a clear sell signal. We entered at 1812 and we exited at 1795, making a total profit of $821.
A lot of you have been asking about the Smart System that we use in our trading. Here's a short video which will tell you all about the system and where you can get it.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The Smart System tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the Smart System from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the Smart System now.